Hi, this is Fed, your content creator slash working mom. For today's video, isi-share ko sa inyo guys ang aking after work ganap. So yung jeep na last trip ay umaalis ng terminal mga 9:40 na. And then, I will arrive here at 10:50 something. At from Bangka namin nilalakad ko lang po pa uwi sa bahay kasi papasok yung amin eh. I know it is dangerous, especially for a woman, and then um, nakakatakot. But we don't have a choice kasi wala nang nagbabiyahing mga motor dyan sa bangga namin. So, lakad-lakad din pag may time. Actually, all good. Hindi naman ako a bit natatakot. At first, I am. But parang na-use ko na, natatakot lang ako sa mga sa mga aso. Kasi parang mga ngagat na sisa kakatahol sa'yo pag dumaan ka. And yan, pagdating ko is as you can see, kumain ako ng aking dinner kasi hindi ako nagdi-dinner sa office. Yung kain ko is dito na sa bahay. And after that, of course, magligpit ng pinagkainan. And usually, pag dumating ako, may mga hugasin pa. So, I make sure na nahugasan ko siya before I go to sleep. And then, ayan, magka-half bath na ako. Kasi hindi pwedeng tumabi kay Arlo nang hindi tayo nakakapag half bath because under state of calamity yung city ngayon for pertussis and prone talaga yung mga babies sa cough. Kaya before we hold or before hawakan ko talaga si Arlo kasi from travel ako, a lot of people from the office as well ang aking nakakasalamuha, so we don't know, so I make sure I'm all clean, nakapag half bath and everything, nakapag sanitize before tumabi kay Arlo. So ayan, after that ay a bit of skincare kasi lahat ng mga dumi sa kalsada ay naipon na natin because of traveling. Ayan, ginagamit ko lang na cleansing yung Garnier. Yung Garnier na yan. And Oxycure at kung ano-ano pa. As you can see, wala tayong vanity mirror kung saan upo-upo lang, comfortable na mag-skincare. But manifesting, everything will be all good at lahat ng ating pinapangarap is matutupad at ibibigay ng universe sa atin. It's just a bit of prayer and believe in yourself that you can do it. If they can, you can as well. And after that, make sure ko lang na kapag nakita kong wala ng milk si Arlo is nagtitimpla ko ng milk before tumabi doon at matulog. And ayan, gamit ko. And ayan, yung bottle pala ni Arlo bago yan. And it's from the brand Pigeon. And that's it. Good night, guys!